Welcome to my Beauty Supply Slay series. My name is Wynne. I'm a content creator who specializes in showing you guys how to get salon quality hair at home. In each episode, I'll show you a new hairstyle that you can achieve using hair from your local beauty supply store. I believe that every girl should be able to slay their own hair in a pinch and on a budget. And with my tips, tricks, and product recommendations, you'll be ready in no time. Hey y'all, welcome to today's episode. The beauty supply store hair that we're going to be using today is this Naked Nature Tru-2-U wig. All of the details about this hair will be down below in the description bar, but it's a U-part wig that's hand-tied, and the texture of the hair is wet and wavy, so it comes kind of almost like a loose wave straight, and it can be straightened really easily, or you can wet it and wear it curly. As you can see, the part lays really flat, so you don't need a lot of hair to cover the tracks. All of the wefts are hand tied and it's really, really flat. And because it's human hair, I wanted to go ahead and add a little bit of color. So I'm sectioning out like a skunk stripe type of vibe. I'm just using my finger to kind of part everything out and section the hair. And then I'm going to clip it out of the way so that I can put the rest of the hair in a ponytail. And I'll have my section really neat so when I bleach the hair, I don't have bleach all over the place. I just like to be really organized, especially with something like this and you're not trying to bleach, all of your hair. So I mixed up some bleach. I think I used like a 30 or 40 volume developer, and I'm just raking the bleach through the hair. I'm going for like a brown highlight moment with like a dark root. So I'm not really focusing too much on the roots. I'm kind of trying to massage it through the ends to make sure that the hair is like a consistent color. As you can see, the hair started to lift and I just went ahead and shampooed and conditioned it. And this is what the curls look like after. It's always fun to see wet and wavy hair after you wet it because it's kind of like you don't know what the curls are going to be, and it came out really, really pretty. I went ahead and trimmed it a bit because I wanted to go for kind of like a even curly bob vibe, and then I'm using a little bit of foaming mousse to go through and define the curls. So I just applied the mousse to all of the strands and then scrunched it up to let the hair air dry. And then I'm applying the wig to my head. There's a comb at the back of the part and at the front of both sides. So once I start to clip the hair in around the part, I just tuck my braids in the back and then apply the comb in the back to kind of hold everything in place. It's super easy to put on. You literally just clip it in. And as you can see, it's looking super cute so far, but I have to blend my own hair with it. So I'm applying a little bit of a heat protectant. And then I'm gonna go in with my mini flat iron. I think it's like a 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch flat iron. And I'm just adding a little spiral curl to my hair so that it blends really well with the weave. This hair is super beginner friendly. It's pretty much like a clip-on sew-in. I really like it. I've been thinking about experimenting with it and actually cutting the clips out and sewing it on. Like, I think that would be super cute, especially because it's so flat. I think it would create the cutest sew-in and you'll be able to leave it on for longer if you don't like having to reapply your wigs. But I love how bouncy and shiny that the curls are. It's definitely a cute little summer wig. And if you want it, you can go ahead and flexi ride your leave out instead of flat ironing it, but I didn't feel like waiting on my hair to dry, so girl, I went ahead and just used my little mini flat iron. Or you could wand curl it too. Actually, now that I think about it, that would be a good option too. It's so many ways for you to blend your hair. But after I go ahead and flat iron everything, what I do is I tuck my curls into the wig. And once everything is nice and fluffed out, it blends really, really well. I love how the hair came out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you end up trying this hair out, definitely let me know. Send me pictures. Thank you again to ShakeNGo for working with me on this series. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Love you. Bye, babes.